Hey guys, what's going on? I'm here working on my renovation and I just wanted to share a quick tip with you guys. What I'm working on here today is I'm getting ready, I'm in the bathroom and I'm getting ready to kind of spruce up this cabinet. And what I'm doing is I'm just changing the hardware on the cabinet. You can see the old hardware is chipped and old and looks dated, and I'm replacing it with some new knobs. I'm going to put a new granite countertop on, and it's just going to make it a lot easier to do. So I'm just going to show you how to do that today. It's so simple and so easy, and it really doesn't cost a lot of money. Everybody can do it at home. On the back of the cabinets, if you look inside the drawers, there's a screw, and that's all there is to it. This is a Phillips head screwdriver, and you're just gonna unscrew the knob. It's pretty easy, and then it comes right out. That's it, easy, easy. You put the new one on, clean it up, screw it on. Oops, kind of tough to hold this. Sorry guys. It just screws on, and just like that, you know, it still has to be cleaned up a little bit, but you can get a whole new look to your cabinets just by changing the hardware. I'll obviously do these two as well. And it's cheap too, you know, I bought these 10 knobs at Walmart. I think it was like 15 bucks for 10 of them. So $1.50 each one. Easy to do, tighten it up, and just like that, you got a new look. I hope you guys are enjoying it. I know this tip was quick. I'll give you a quick walkthrough. This bathroom still has to be the shower. We're gonna update that. We have a self-finishing kit that you paint on, so we're gonna do that. The rest of the house is looking good. The LED lighting is up. We're pretty much ready for countertops. I measured and ordered the granite for the countertops and the sinks, and that will be next week's project. I'm still painting doors the old-fashioned way, one side at a time. Yeah, and then we'll be getting ready for flooring. Kind of been a little bit slow to go with everything going on, but I had a few minutes today and I thought I'd make a video and show you guys what's up. I hope you guys are doing good. Thanks so much for watching. Take care.